There's nobody singing this year because you're not allowed to sing.
Are you not?
No. Are you still? I didn't think you was allowed to sing. Oh no, because I don't know. There's usually a singer here, isn't there? So. Let's get this.
Ready, cool.
Gotcha. Oh, what are you doing, Mal? All right. Yeah, my mate used to drive in the army. He's in Germany at the minute. He lives in Germany. I thought we'll come down and take some pictures for him. So he'd be here if he was over. But
well, if you hang around till 2, there's going to be a bit of a skirmish at 2.
Oh, there's a bit of a skirmish going on. What time is it now?
About 20 to it.
All right. Oh, we're going to start fighting, are they? I know there's a German over there having an ice cream a minute ago. That made a good photograph.
Well, there's a couple of parrots sat down over there. There's another one sat in another chair.
Yeah. Okay, you an ex-para then?
No.
No, what?
No, I was 4th Royal Young Guards.
Oh, right.
For a day and a half.
A day and a half?
Yeah. It was my dad.
Oh, right.
And, basically went to go see him and said that I wasn't what I said I was. I was my younger brother and I wasn't like because he'd had to buy my elder brother out.
Yeah.
And he wasn't doing that for me. I've always wanted to be in the military.
Yeah.
So dragged him to see us on day 2.
Yeah.
Who are you? Told him. No. Who are you? No. Give one more chance and then we're going to ditch us. This is who I am.
Yeah.
Right, well we've got a witness outside that says you're Christopher Patterson, you know, you're only 15.
Oh, right.
Entitled to sign up. Well, no, I'm David, I've just finished, I'm 18. Birthday 20th November, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
Next thing I know, my dad walks in, Christopher, stupid little boy. I went,
Oh.
you are having a laugh, Dad.
Oh.
No, I'm David. And we got outside, I got booted out straight away. Got outside, and he says, come on, get in this car, so you can go get fucked. Then we're talking to you again, now wagging off.
Yeah.
That was it. Nothing I had to do with it for about 10 years.
Oh, God.
And when now Chris was at 18, I went to sign up again.
Yeah.
He blacklisted me.
Oh, God. So,
yeah, very, very upset.
at least you was in for a short time.
Yeah, but I mean, my best mate, he did 27 years with RAF EOD.
Yeah.
513 Squadron. And he turned around to me a few months back and goes, hey, I've got you a veteran's badge. I went, I'm not a veteran. He goes, you did more than a day, you're a veteran.
Veteran.
I don't give a fucking crap. I'm not wearing a veteran's badge. I said, hey, how did you find it? He goes, mine's service number.
All right.
I went, so that was 688 51453. He went, yep, still remember it, even though you've only been in a day and a half. And that was like 30 odd year ago.
Yeah.
It's a number you don't forget.
Yeah, it's like your national insurance number. You don't forget that, do you? So.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that's what happened. So.
Oh, wow.
But I've been a collection military for years, and then I bumped into Tony, who's
Yeah.
the chairman. He was sat in that chair there a minute ago.
He's gone over that
Where
way.
he's gone. Probably gone for another cup of tea.
Yeah.
You know, paras are like. And he says, oh, come with us and display your stuff. You know, that's what I've been doing for the last few
May
years.
as well, ain't you? So.
And now we've got that bloody big now, we need a museum.
Oh, wow.
I've got a tent this size,
Yeah.
post-war.
All
I
right.
can fill it 3 times over.
Oh,
I
God.
come to a display, it takes me 4 hours to set it up.
Oh.
One of only 5 people in the country that privately owned an EOD bomber suit from Afghan.
All right.
I love that. So, yeah,
Do you watch them videos on YouTube of that ex-Navy SEAL, Don Shipley? Have you heard of him? He goes about catching these guys that go about in all the military things. Yeah, Walter the American version of the Walter Mitties. I'm always watching him because some of them make you laugh.
Yeah.
They work in car garages who've never been in the army.
Just talking about Walter Mitties, we know a few, don't we? Quite a few.
Yeah. This guy called Don Shipley in America does it as well. He searches them out, doesn't he?
They've done the best thing though because they've made it a criminal offence over there.
Yeah.
Stolen valor.
Yeah.
Which I think is brilliant.
Yeah. But you get these people coming along, I was this, I was in the SAS and all whatever, and you think, oh.
I want to say something about the SAS, the smallest regiment with the largest number of people that's ever been in it.
Yeah, yeah, I've heard that. Everybody's in it, aren't they? So. Yeah.
I can't accept your surrender, you've got to fight.
Where's the pyrotechnics going?
Well, you tell us where you want them, and we'll put them where you want them. We've got some marker pegs to mark them as well. So, not flight, we'll come in here.
We're going to come around here, we don't want to run him over.
Well, that's why we're going to. We'll put the pegs in.
First time I crept up on a German. I just caught him having an ice cream. This guy over there got good photograph of him having an ice cream. I thought, oh, now there's going to be a battle, isn't there, soon?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, alright. Keep my eye out for that.
Motorbikes coming in here, going down there, getting attacked down there, coming back, never coming back again.
Alright.
Then it's all going to let loose.
Alright, oh, I'm going to get me spot man, mate. Cheers.
Driving through here. Yeah. What have you got? You've got Will, have you?
This tall.
Oh, really? Not taller than Molly.
There's,
No.
Half a skin, half curly dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you can. This is Molly.
Is it a female or
it's a girl. It's Molly.
It's Molly.
And I've got a little cat.
Have you got a cat as well?
She's called Penny, and she's a girl.
Oh, she? Yeah. Is she?
She's very, very
Yeah.
cute. And
Does she?
yeah, she used to have like two. Yeah, we used to have
Just go her outside then. No. Yeah. All I know is coming in here, driving back out. We went, I've just explained this. That's how what yeah.
There's going to be a battle in a minute.
Yeah, I've just heard that woman telling the other lady. Is it getting the Germans or something?
Yeah, the motorbikes are going to come in, so the motorbikes are going to come in and they're going to go round, and then there's going to be a battle, and then they're going to drive out again. So,
Alright.
so we best get out of the way.
Go, then?
Shall we get somewhere that way? If there's going to be a battle over there. 2 o'clock it is anyway. So.